Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, presents the conference Artificial Management of Companies. Part 3. Scientific Technological Alliances. A new way of thinking about business that will change the world as we know it. Aimed at managers and executives who want to know the future of business management. In Industry 4.0, Enterprise-Wide Optimization Systems, EWOS, aimed at the holistic optimization of companies, replace the old Decision Support Systems, SSD. SSDs were designed to be controlled by humans, while EWOS correspond to multiple, autonomous algorithms, operating in a distributed manner, in real time, based on artificial intelligence. AWO is a new paradigm for decision-making. Mika Robot with artificial intelligence is the leader of the luxury liquor company, Dictator, based in Poland. Dictator has signed a contract with Mika, who now sits on its board of directors and holds the position of CEO. Enterprise-wide optimization will be the artificial hypothalamus of the robots that run companies. It is the future that awaits us. In Industry 4.0, Enterprise-Wide Optimization Systems, EWOS, aimed at the holistic optimization of companies, replace the old Decision Support Systems that were designed to be controlled by humans, while EWOS correspond to multiple, autonomous algorithms, operating in a distributed manner, in real time, based on artificial intelligence. AWO is a new paradigm for decision-making. HI first heard about enterprise optimization, EO, or enterprise-wide optimization, EWO, in the article Beyond Supply Chain Optimization to Enterprise Optimization, written by Professor Jeremy Shapiro of MIT, in which he states, EO arises from the recognition that strategic supply chain planning needs to be integrated into broader business planning exercises, so that it serves to break down artificially created barriers to fact-based decision-making. According to Shapiro, the growing interest in supply chain management is the result of that the managers are looking for business models and processes that support fact-based decision-making for the design and operation of their supply chains. To integrate decisions across supply chain functions, in geographically dispersed facilities, and over time. Fact-based decision-making refers to the development, validation, and application of data-driven mathematical models to analyze business planning problems in the real world. The offer presented by HI is based on the vision of enterprise optimization. EO involves optimizing a company's core operations, sourcing, manufacturing, distribution, and financial activities, to maximize its economic utility from a holistic point of view, and not through separate silos, with weak connectivity between them. This, in addition to the global pressure for sustainable industries that consider environmental aspects, such as the clean production of the energy they consume. One of the key features of AWO will be the integration of information and decision-making between the various functions that make up industrial supply chains. HI's vision, developed in practice for more than 50 years, allowed HI to evolve from decision support systems, conceived as the chaining of algebraic equations in a mathematical problem, to the chaining of pre-formulated problems, to build a super decision-making system, like a Lego game. Under this vision, mathematical multi-problem models for modern solutions and decision-making artificial intelligence are developed in Companies 4.0. One of the key features of AWO will be the integration of information and decision-making between the various functions that make up industrial supply chains, like purchasing, manufacturing, distribution, sales, human resources, maintenance, energy management, etc., through several geographically distributed organizations, suppliers, facilities, markets, etc., and organized into various levels of decision-making, strategic, tactical and operational. This process of splitting functions can be repeated several times, allowing you, in the end, to see a business chain built from atoms. Because all algebraic elements are defined in a database, setting up an EWOS is limited to selecting, from the equation store those that are part of a problem, from the problem store those that are part of a model, and from the model store, those that make up the enterprise optimization system. This proliferation of models does not affect the dimensionality of the real math model, but it does affect the complexity of connecting all the models, and generating the algorithms to solve the holistic mathematical problem, since the technologies that allow it to be carried out are known. but assembling the algorithm that coordinates hundreds or thousands of problems are big words for a programmer, but not for an artificial intelligence. EWOS can be achieved with modern computing tools, cloud and edge computing, which together with the Internet of Things, IoT, have driven artificial intelligence. To fully exploit the potential of AWO, the development of complex mathematical models of multiple problems, and sophisticated optimization algorithms, is necessary to obtain optimal economic performance of the company, as well as high levels of customer satisfaction. AWO is supported by applied parallel mathematics. Those interested are invited to watch the video. Artificial management of companies. Enterprise-wide optimization systems. Artificial intelligence for decision making. Those interested are invited to watch the video. Artificial management of companies. Artificial intelligence for decision making. Scientific Technological Business Alliances, STA. The future for acquiring state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology will be scientific technological business alliances. One of the reasons is the speed of development of this area of knowledge, which means that, to be up to date, you must have a development team dedicated to this challenge. Traditionally, the need for specialized knowledge and technologies has led to a divide between operators and contractors. However, in recent years, this relationship has evolved from a transactional approach to a collaborative and mutually beneficial strategic partnership. An STA is a network of relationships between two or more companies to manage a portfolio of IT products, AI technologies, or financial holdings. These partnerships allow companies to achieve benefits quickly, sharing resources and expertise. STAs allow positive synergies to be generated. Some of the benefits are that they allow sharing risks and opportunities for new projects, technology transfer, have access to new markets, design and execute faster operations, and develop new distribution channels. In other words, generating significant added value for every allied. Although it may not seem like it, the operational problems of companies are potential business assets, since solving them will generate added value compared to companies that do not know how to solve them. On the other hand, HAI knows some of these problems, but for most it has not had the opportunity to solve them, and can only learn if an industrial company gives it the opportunity to work on its problems. HAI, as a company specialized in AWO and DMAI, can develop, in a short time, all the highly complex mathematical models that the allied company requires to capture the additional benefit provided by new computer technologies. Know-how is HAI's contribution to the alliance. Industrial production-oriented STAs seek competitive advantages either through the joint development of new products, or through customer-supplier integrations. New technologies, immersed in Industry 4.0, significantly improve the technical economic productivity of companies. Far fewer resources are needed than if each company pursues the opportunity on its own. HAI, as a company specialized in enterprise-wide optimization systems and decision-making artificial intelligence, can develop, in a short time, all the highly complex mathematical models that the allied company requires to capture the additional benefit provided by new computer technologies. Know-how is HAI's contribution to the alliance. An STA between industrial operators and HAI is a win-win business. The operator will have access to new technologies and will significantly increase their productivity. For its part, HAI will develop new products that it will be able to take to the artificial intelligence market, to offer them to other industrial companies. A business in which humanity also wins. Technological allies. The ideal technological allies for HAI are trade associations representing multiple companies, large or small. Government agents responsible for improving the living conditions of society. Large companies that are in the process of digital transformation, and companies that produce artificial intelligence tools, which consider that HAI's experience and products complement their knowledge. Conceptual technical proposal. For a scientific technological alliance between InSmart Enterprise and HAI. Objective and scope. The objective of the proposal is To carry out a process of technology transfer from hypothalamus artificial intelligence to smart enterprise in order to turn smart enterprise into a center of excellence in the application of methodologies and technologies of artificial intelligence decision-making. This process will focus on training in decision-making artificial intelligence applied to the industrial sector in which smart enterprise operates. This training will be carried out through two mechanisms. Learning by doing, through the participation of stakeholders, in the mathematical models developed by HI for Smart Enterprise. A formal course to be taught on the subject. This course will be graduate level, and oriented to real-world use cases. The course will have two levels. Smart Enterprise Managers and Executives. Professionals interested in knowing in depth the methodologies of decision-making artificial intelligence. Design and implementation of all solutions to specific mathematical problems requested by Smart Enterprise, and design and implement the Smart Enterprise Artificial Brain, which will integrate all mathematical models. Scope of the training course in Artificial Intelligence for Decision Making. The course will be based on HI's applied experience in developing solutions for industry. The image is linked to HI's course offering, through its Technology Transfer Division, RCA-DEET, Research Center for Advanced Decision Technologies. Specific mathematical models for Smart Enterprise. Together, Smart Enterprise and HI will determine the mathematical models to be developed. This list will be dynamic, in the sense that models may be included, or eliminated, according to the interests of Smart Enterprise. Each mathematical model, or groups of related mathematical models, will be the subject of a technical economic proposal to solve a specific operational problem of Smart Enterprise. With respect to activities related to each mathematical model, the scope of this proposal is design, implementation, cold model system testing, hot model system testing, startup, maintenance, technical support, and technology transfer. Presentations. Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, is a knowledge-intensive company in advanced and complex mathematical modeling. His main research focuses on the integration of traditional artificial intelligence, mainly supported by artificial neural networks, ANN, and machine learning algorithms, based on support vector machines, SVM, with the principles of large-scale mathematical programming. This aims to produce artificial brains, i.e., digital transformation driven by autonomous and intelligent algorithms in real time, in accordance with the era of Industry 4.0. If you are interested in learning more about HI, you can watch the video Hypothalamus I. Through Optex GPT, Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence will be your advisor for the best decision making. This is the actual research and development plus innovation projects, based on artificial intelligence, focused on generating a new version of Optex Optimization Expert System. If you are interested in learning more about RAN plus I at HI, you can watch the video indicated in the image. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus AI believes that the computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all times. Thank you for your attention.